funny, what do I see when I'm just about to go home? I see a stunning Purosangue in a super sporty configuration. Just see the stripe. Wow. Black calipers might be a bit too conservative, but check this guy out. This is brave. It's like, inspect that. That yellow stripe could cost like, what is it, 20,000 euros or so. And the painted shields are alone like, what is it, 15,000 euros. You can see when they are larger than the metallic ones, then it's the painted ones. And this one is also painted, of course. Wow. Imagine getting stone chips on that one. This is a clean SUV, especially after seeing Mansory Tricolore, Purgatore, or what's the name is. So you choose Purosangue V12, carbon parts, golden calipers, or Mansory Cybertruck, forged carbon, or Purosangue. Mansory. It's probably illuminated as well. Mansory Elongation 101. This is funny. Forged carbon. Or RSQ8 by Mansory. It's not outrageous, but it's pretty close to being outrageous actually. Those exhaust tips and these yellow parts in that interior, that's just crazy. Wow, that hood looks stunning. And this is actually a facelifted RSQ8 as well. Wow. Have a look at the rear lights. Yes, they are facelift. I never seen a facelift RSQ8 actually. I never seen a Mansory either. That's funny. Elongation 101 is like, okay. Purosangue is like a super beauty compared to all of these other ones.